Oh, hello, Mr. Otto, and hello, everyone. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about the final project of the syntax, and let's get started. My name is Stephen Raphael. My name is 33 double 2 double 049, and this is the video about final project of syntax. Deep structure. Deep structure is a concept from transformational generative grammar developed by Noah Chomsky. It refers to the underlying structure of a sentence that holds its core meaning, regardless of how it's actually spoken or written. In other words, deep structure represents the abstract grammatical structure a sentence before any transformation, like passive voice, question formation, or negation, are applied. So, what is deep structure? This definition from Chomsky, transformation grammar. The purpose is shows the basic meaning before transformation. The contrast is with surface structure. And why is it important? Helps linguistics understand how meaning is preserved, show how different sentences can mean the same thing, and useful in language, teaching, translation, and AI. The example first is active sentence is a surface structure. Second, the cat chased the mouse is passive sentence, and the mouse was chased by the cat. The structure same for both. The cat chased the mouse. Though the surface structure differ, the underlying data structure who does that to whom is the same. And the summary, deep structure is more abstract core meaning. Surface structure is actual spoken or written form, and same deep structure can result in a different surface forms. Next is grammatical relation. So what is grammatical relation? It is a role of noun phrase in relation to the verb, and it is important in sentence structure and meaning, and common relation is subject, object, and etc. Grammatical relation refer to the roles that noun phrase like subject, object, etc. play in a sentence in relation to the verb. Those roles help understand who is doing what to whom in the sentence. And the main grammatical relations are first is subject, second is object, which is direct and indirect. Third is complement, the third is oblique. These relations are the key for sentence structure and meaning across all languages. The simple example is subject, the girl eats an apple. The girl is the door of the action, and the object is the girl is an apple. An apple is what is being eaten, and the indirect is object is she gave him a book, him received some things. The oblique she sat on the door is prepositional phrase that adds info. In the summary from grammatical relation is this subject, object, complement, etc. and show how elements relate to the verbs and useful in syntax analysis, language education, and linguistic research. So the next part I'm gonna discuss about five sentences. I'm gonna break down into the syntax tree. Now let's get started. This is the first sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The word "the" is as a determiner. The word "quick" is an adjective. The word "brown" is an adjective, and the word "fox" is a noun. That's all from the noun phrase. And from the verb phrase is the verb is jump. The over is a prepositional from prepositional phrase. The word "the" is a determiner from noun phrase, and the word "lazy" is an adjective, and the word "dog" is a noun from the noun phrase. The second is the house where I grew up has been demolished. So in this section is from the subject we're gonna go down into noun phrase and verb phrase. And in the noun phrase we're gonna go down into determiner, noun, and relative clause. That's the CP is relative clause. And in determiner is the word the noun is the word house. In the relative clause we're gonna go down again into complement and subject. The word complement is where, and the subject we're gonna go down into noun phrase and verb phrase again. And in the noun phrase is the word I, and the verb phrase you're gonna go down again into verb, and prepositional phrase the verb is grew. The prepositional phrase you're gonna go down again into prepositional and noun phrase. The prepositional is up and the noun phrase is has. And next we're gonna go into the verb phrase section. We're gonna go down into three part, which is auxiliary, and verb. The auxiliary is has, and the next auxiliary is been, has been, and the verb is demolish. So D as a determiner, house as a noun, where as a complement, I as a noun phrase, up as a prepositional, has as a auxiliary, been as auxiliary, and demolish as a verb. Next, Zefano saw the Yehezkel with the telescope. Okay, we're gonna go down into from the subject. We're gonna go into non-praise and verb-praise, and in non-praise there's only one section is Zefano as the non-praise, and the verb-praise we're gonna go down into verb, which is a word so, and then we go down again into the noun praise. The noun praise from the verb praise we're gonna go down into three part. The first is determiner, noun, and prepositional praise. And the determiner is the word the noun is the word Yehezkel, and the prepositional praise is the with the telescope. So Zefano as a noun praise, so as a verb from the verb praise, D as a determiner from the verb praise. So Yehezkel is a noun from the verb praise, and the with the telescope as a prepositional phrase from the verb praise. Okay, next. The sentence is the girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. In this that are we gonna go down from the subject, go into NP, auxiliary, and verb phrase. In NP we're gonna go down to determiner and noun. The determiner is the word D. The noun is gonna go down again into the word girl as a noun and go into CP, relative clause. Relative clause we're gonna go down to the C, and subject S we're gonna go the word C is who, and the S we're gonna go down into the NP and VP. In NP is the word who, and the VP you're gonna go down into auxiliary and verb. The auxiliary is, and the verb is wearing a dress. So next part is we're gonna go into auxiliary, in which the word is, and the last is for phrase is dancing. So the word D as a determiner, girl as a noun, who as a relative. So sorry, is a double who. Is as a auxiliary, wearing a dress is a verb. Ox is the ox, and the dancing as a verb phrase. Next, the last the sentence. She believes that the earth is round. We're gonna go into down into non-phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase, there's a word see as a noun phrase, and the verb phrase, you're gonna go into verb and relative clause. The verb is believes. Relative clause, we're gonna go into relative and s, and the relative is that. And from the s, we're gonna go down into np and vp, and the word the earth as a np, and from the vp, we're gonna go down again into the verb and adjective. So the verb is and adjective is around. So see as a noun phrase, believe as a verb, that as a relative, the earth as a noun phrase, is as a verb, and round is adjective. So that's all about the final project about the syntax. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Thank you.